Welcome to Emotional Upskilling. Peak Minds Upskilling program focuses on providing you with the best in class e learning content, along with psychometric assessments and virtual workshops. It touches upon both personal and professional aspects of life to provide you with a complete guide, upskilling and empowering individuals. In our courses, you will find learning videos, experts' insights, worksheets, self reflection surveys, and scored quizzes. Worksheets will help you practice the concepts and apply them in day to day life. Self reflection surveys will help you ponder about the concept. Scored quizzes will help you strengthen your understanding. Let's begin.
Hello, all, and welcome to the course Skills to Develop a Positive Mindset. After completing the course, you will be able to learn ways to handle negative thinking patterns and develop a positive approach towards life. Understand the strategies to develop positive thinking. This course comprises of 2 modules. According to the National Science Foundation, an average person has about 12,000 to 60,000 thoughts per day. Out of those thoughts, 80% of the thoughts are negative in nature, and 95% of thoughts are the same repetitive thoughts that one has had before.
Jay, who was earlier aversive to sports, found this new love for football once Mihika had picked up the sport. Even people with a strong sense of self find some changes in them as a result of interacting with another person. This is common for all of us and is known as self-expansion.
To be self-confident is to trust in yourself, in your ability to rise to new challenges, seize opportunities, deal with difficult situations, and take responsibility if things go south. Esteem comes from the Latin word estimare, which means to appraise, value, rate, weigh, estimate.
Most successful people are those who have a strong belief in their own worth and value. They quickly hold on to their dreams. One of them is Walt Disney, a dreamer, a learner, and an artist who turned out to be an innovator. Whenever Walt Disney had a new idea, he would randomly ask 10 people about their opinion. If they all gave negative responses, he would immediately start reworking on his idea. What do you feel when someone thanks you for something? You probably feel seen, appreciated, and that you matter to the other person. Turning it around, when you say thank you to someone, it's a small moment with big ripple. Gratitude acts as a natural antidepressant. It produces a feeling of long-lasting happiness and contentment. When we express gratitude and receive the same, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the 2 crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions, and they make us feel good. There are times when there are no conflicts at the workplace. Those times are the perfect opportunities to reverse harmful effects of any prior or future conflicts. Research suggests that there is an optimum ratio of 5:1 in terms of balance between positive to negative interactions. Relationships among team members are significantly more likely to succeed and tolerate conflicts when their interactions are near that of 5:1 ratio of positive to negative. He realized his accomplishments could inspire others and became grateful for his life. That person is Nick Vujicic. He is now a successful speaker, influencer, and a thought leader, and he motivates tons of people on a daily basis just by speaking to them and telling them to be thankful with what they have. We hope you will enjoy the learning process. Let's begin.